This is Noah again. Okay, it's time for another airplane. This I call is the classic. Alright, you hold it you put it like this, like that kind of one. Alright, fold it up, not across, up. Okay, so you have it up. You open it, fold this until it makes like a triangle. And then do it to the other side. Okay. So now you fold this. Well, this one is kind of like the middle triangle back. It's kind of like that, but not exactly. Alright, so you fold it like you do in the middle triangle back, like this. And then you do it to the other side, and then it should make a big old triangle in the back. So you should have it like this. Alright? Now you fold it this way. We'll actually do this first. Fold this up a little bit, like about one finger height. Then you do it to the other side. Now you fold it. Alright, you fold it, like make a one finger. Or make it, a one finger space or two. And then do it to the other side. Now you open it. And then that is it for the classic. And look at my other paper airplanes. I hope you learned something. And I hope you enjoy them. Have a fun time.